I want to show you guys a mistake people make in the gym when they're doing certain movements. They're actually flaring out their ribs. This is not going to be helping your rib flare. One, posturally, and two, from an actual core engagement perspective, because this mistake is stopping your core from being engaged in a whole bunch of movements in which you should have some level of core engagement. This mistake is also cheating the movement and taking away from the target muscle group. For example, if you're doing a shoulder press, a lot of people do this and then they'll arch. They'll have their ribs sticking out as they arch to press it up. That's kind of cheating the movement, making it easier. You're promoting that bad rib flare accentuating posture, and you're not engaging your core in the movement either. In these compound movements, there's still some core engagement, so you should keep your ribs down, press, breathe in, press, ribs down, breathe in. You see the difference in my ribs, in my core? As I do that movement, I'm keeping them engaged. I'm keeping my ribs down, okay? I also see this mistake a lot when a client sends me a video of them doing a face pull. So what I see is them doing it like this and leaning and pushing out their ribs and their belly. That's actually cheating the range of motion. It's cheating the movement. What we want to do is keep our ribs contracted, core engaged, ribs down, and pull. If you try this, you'll feel how much harder that makes it. And your body wants to flare the ribs, but you've got to fight it. Make the rear delts work. Make the core stay engaged. Stay tight. Keep a mind to muscle connection on the movement. It truly makes a massive difference. So guys, keeping that core engaged, the ribs down throughout your movements is really key. Okay, there is a real tendency to arch and overextend the stomach, but it just makes movements easier. It takes away from the target muscle group, and it disengages the core, which is something we want engaged as much as we can with pectus training, because developing the core in the obliques makes the rib flare, the pot belly look less noticeable, and in turn actually makes the sunken chest look less noticeable too, because when your ribs aren't flaring as much, the indent doesn't look as deep. So it's really important, guys. A mistake I see a lot of my clients make when they're sending me client videos. If you're interested in becoming a client, then I have a few spots still available, so links in the description to apply. So I'd love to work with you and coach you personally to make sure you actually fix your pectus with exercise, because I see it too often, people trying to do it on their own and not achieving the result, and truly it's a life-changing transformation. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Peace. I'll see you in the next one.